good morning everyone. I'm your English teacher, Miss Sheila Chatterjee. Today we will do a new topic that is use of a and the. And these are called articles. A and the. Where you will use and, where you will use a and where you will use the. And use with vowel sound. Vowel a, e, I, O, U. These five are the vowels. So with A, E, I, O, U हम क्या लगाएंगे and rest are the consonant. इसके अलावा जितने भी हमारे अल्फाबेट्स है 21 अल्फाबेट्स है these are consonants. So उनके साथ हम लगाएंगे a. And with the famous monuments, with the famous building and which is only one, जो सब बिल्कुल अलग हैं, एक है, उनके साथ हम लगाते हैं the. See, as you can see, A with consonant sound, B, D, E, F, G and so on. And vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So with these we will use and with famous building unique things we will use the. We will do more examples from our grammar books. Are you ready? Let's start the class. Chapter number 11 from grammar. Name of the chapter is A and the. Look at the pictures and read the word given below. A butterfly, an umbrella, a tree, an ant, a goat, an aeroplane. We use an before a naming word that begins with a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U sound. We use a before a naming word that begins with the consonant sound. So, B is a consonant, so here is a. U is a vowel, so here is an. We have some options here. Question number 1. Put a or an before these naming words. As you can see here are some naming words. You have to write an or a. First of all, first is teacher. T is a consonant, so a teacher. Number 2, ox. O. O is a vowel, so an. Number 3, train. T. A train. Engine. It is engine, engine. So an engine. Doctor. D. D is consonant. Again a doctor. Hut. H. A hut. I. Inkpot. I. Vowel. And. Banana. Not banana. It's banana. And. Because B is a consonant. Apple. Apple, A, vowel, so an. Lion, not lion, it's lion. L, a lion, a lion. Iron chair, I, vowel, so an. Onion, not onion, it's onion. An onion because begins with O, that is vowel. Okay, so this is our question number A. Now come on question number B. But here are some instructions. So let's read. Read the sentences given below. I have a pet dog. The dog plays with me. A princess lives in a palace. The princess is beautiful. My father has a laptop. He uses the laptop for his work. The sun shines in the sky. We can see the moon at night. The Red Fort is in Delhi. The Yamuna is a long river. The Red Sea is very big. The is used before a naming word when We have already talked about it. In sentence 1, here is sentence 1. We say a pet dog the first time, but the second time we say the dog as we have talked about it before. As you can see in sentence 1, I have a pet dog. First time we used a pet dog, but when we talk about this dog again, we use the dog. Instead of a dog, we use the dog because here we are talking about this dog again. The is also used before names of seas, rivers, oceans. Example, the Ganga and the Indian Ocean. The famous seas, river, oceans. The is used before the name of famous buildings or famous monuments. Example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. The is also used before names of things that are only one of their kind. Example, the sun, the moon or the earth or all 9 planets. They are only one. It's not like that कि रोज अलग अलग सन आता है. Sun एक ही है. These are unique. These are only one. Okay. Now let's do the question number B. Use a, an or the to fill in the blanks. I got dash umbrella is big. See, I got an umbrella because U is consonant. But here we are talking about this umbrella again. आप जिसके बारे में फिर से बात करते हो तो उसके सामने लगता है the. Instead of writing an, we will use the. Dash bus comes down on the road. A bus. Dash girl is waiting. So let's read this sentence again. A bus comes down the road. Dash girl is waiting at the bus. Just see here in the first time we used a bus, but again we are talking about this bus and here is the bus. Okay. So a bus comes down the road. A girl is waiting. A girl is waiting at the bus stop. Dash girl gets into dash. So again we are talking about this girl. So the girl gets into the bus. Sentence 3. We live on the earth. Earth is only one. So the earth. Hari gives a rose to his mother. The rose is red. A rabbit found a carrot. A rabbit found a carrot. The carrot is fresh. The carrot is fresh. Mary has a little lamb. The lamb goes with her every day because we are talking about this lamb again. That sun rises every morning. So the sun, because sun is unique, sun is one. Okay, you have to do question number A and B in your grammar book. Okay, bye. Take care.